we have Sudarshan here to give us more details in terms of numbers. Sudarshan, Maruti Suzuki, how is it looking like overall?
By the first look, operational numbers are looking largely better than our expectations, mainly on revenue front. It has come at more than 42,000 crore against our expectation of around 40,000 crore. On EBITDA front too, it has come more than 4,400 crore against our expectation of around 4,200 crore. And margin, it has slipped below 11%, but it's in line to our expectation. It has come in at 10.5% against our expectation of around 10.60%. And on a YoY basis, also profit has increased by 7%. Revenue too has increased by more than 13%. And revenue increase has been supported by healthy increase in the volume that company has seen both on a sequential basis as well as year-on-year. And I assume that company might have taken price hike that has helped an increase in the realization. On your YoY basis, realization has improved by more than 11%. Now, over the last 2 months, company has seen an increase in the demand, also mainly because of GST rate cut. So going forward also, we'll have to see from the management if management comments about the increase in the outlook for FY26, because as of now, the outlook for PV industry for FY26 is low single-digit growth. So it will be taken very positively if company goes ahead and says that for industry, PV growth outlook can be increased. But as far as numbers for Q2FY26 are concerned, it's looking like largely better than estimates.
Okay, largely better than estimates is what it's looking like versus our poll at CNBC-TV18. Realizations also seeing an improvement. We have Deven Choksey joining in with us as well. Deven, good afternoon. Have you managed to look at the numbers? Right now, Sud was just giving us some details there. What is your first cut on this?
Yes, good afternoon. Well, I think briefly reviewing these numbers right away, the important part is the revenue contribution probably has increased, even though the margin has remained slightly under pressure as I see it. But I think more or less the revenue contribution has increased. And there couldn't be on a disagreement on this aspect because of the premiumization path that this company has been following. Maybe the breakup in the models, I think, will be one thing which one will have to review it as to who contributed what. But in my viewpoint, I think the SUV segment probably has ended up contributing on a larger side. So we'll see the breakup and then we'll make some better judgment on that. But overall, the numbers are happy. I think satisfactory. The currency-related factors in the profit, I'm not too sure. I think how much it is there at this point of time because I haven't got the breakup. But if at all it is there, still I think the numbers are looking reasonably good from the profit and profitability perspective as well.
Okay. Numbers are looking good, but I don't know what the street is not liking. Deven, anything that you've noticed on that front? Because the stock has come down 1%, since the numbers were reported. So what is it that maybe anything that is the street is worried about right now?
No, I'm not too sure whether the street is worried about. Maybe I think the market is factoring in the results ahead of time. And as a result of each post-result, you see the profit booking happening. So nothing to do with the results, I believe. I think whatever the profit booking is happening, nothing to do with the results.
Okay, nothing to do with the results on the earnings front. Obviously, we'll wait out for more details. But as of now, good numbers is what is the highlight coming in from you, right?
Absolutely, yes.
Okay, we'll wait out for more details in terms of the mix, what sales were happening, as well as Sudarshan also highlighted some key points that we should watch out for in terms of overall where the guidance starts improving. What is the management's commentary on that front will be key to watch out for. But with that, we are absolutely out of time on this edition of Your Stock. Shaina, Vaishali, Deven, thank you so much for joining us on the show.